Hey everybody, so we're working on our dock here. I did a couple of units to get the hang of it. So our dock is these sectional pieces. It's a bit of a copy of CanDock. It's a Quai42, which is Dock 42. It's the distributor here in Quebec. It's of course made in China product. We saved quite a bit on that end too, just like my loader. So yeah, we've got units, single units. CanDock usually are single units like this one here. It's very light. It's really fun to manipulate compared to my huge wooden dock with the big floaters underneath. The section would weigh like 2,500 pounds. And it would eventually start wrecking after we've had it for at least 4 years. And on the river, it's very rough compared to just a lake. So, and we've got here some double units. So it's very for the manipulation part of it. So I've got 3 sections built. So I'm gonna bring them to the river 3x3 and match everything together. We've got 11 sections for the pathway, and the dock itself will be 18 feet, just like the length of the boat. So it will be a bit like a T. Not sure if you can see it. It will be a T. So the boat will be here, and this is the walkway. It's 35 feet because the deeper end of the water is very far, and we have water that comes in the tide. Well, it's not tide, but the level of the river, as you know, if you watch the channel and the boat postings that I put, the water level plays a lot. So when there's not a lot of water, I don't want the boat to be on the rocks. I want to be able to just drive off. So I have to make sure that I'm on the deeper end. So that's why the walkway is at least 35 feet. I'm gonna watch it to see, because I've got a certain place that I know there's always water. So if I need like 28 feet, I can mishmash everything up and just play around with the units and here I can add parts here and just subtract them here and put them here. So it will give me more space on the dock beside the boat. But so that's what we're working on. I'll show you a bit how this works. So you've got these connection sections that are different heights that are made to hook up. So you gotta look. So this is pretty much in the center, and the other side are more on the top. So I always keep them on the same side. Take these that have these locking bumps on them. I like to just put my weight on it. And after that, this comes with a tool. can either be this way or this way. You know that they're locked. If they're in between, it's because they're not locked. So this is it. Another section done. Pretty awesome. I won't be putting the dock apart in all these single pieces again. I'll probably leave them in bigger sections, maybe 6 sections together, and tie them up down below beside the river. But yeah, I won't be dismantling this all the way down every year. This is like a one-time thing. But it's nice, it's manageable. So the day we're a bit older, we don't have to take bigger sections. If we have to winch it, we don't need this huge machinery to pull this 2,500 pound dock. It's really light. I think the whole thing must weigh not even 400 pounds, not even. So I could actually pull the whole thing with the ATV winch, but I won't be doing that, it's too big. But very cumbersome. Another section. I'm wondering, you know, when I'm going to be on the river, in the water, if we have a place that it's not too deep, when I'm going to be putting the sections together, when I'm going to step on it on the water, or that's the only thing I'm wondering how it's going to go. If it's going to be well, if it's going to go well to hook up together here like this, boom. But right now it's like pretty easy in the garage, but on the side of the river, on the river, not sure. So that's it, guys. That's how we put up this Quai42, Dock 42. So all the big sections are put up. These single sections go on the ends here, so I need to do that. But I just wanted to take some time here to show you the profile over here. So you can see that you've got sections that are doubled up, but they're made to go into these other sections that will tie into each other. So that's what I'm wondering on the river, on the water, how it's going to go to connect these guys together. If I'm going to be fighting with it, or if it's going to be... I think it will go well, but I won't be standing on it. I think I'll be in the water with some my fishing, you know, the waist high fishing boots there. And I'll be connecting them like this and just without stepping on it, because I think if I stand on it, I'm not sure it's going to be going well. I'll keep you posted and let you know if it went well. I want to try both ways, because it'd be nice, you know, at the end of the season, when you're actually in October that I take the boat out, it's pretty cold, so it'd be nice to just like dismantle it from the dock and just float them on the shoreline. So we'll see, but no, I'm very happy. I'll keep you posted on how it goes and do some other videos when I'm going to be on the river putting this stuff together. So get excited to put the boat, posting some boat videos.